Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video in this channel. So in the previous video, you might have seen that I explained you the ZN function. And in this video, I'm gonna pick a very similar function which is called as IFNULL function in Tableau. You might get confused that if we already have a ZN function, why do we need this IFNULL function? In order to break things down simply for you, here I present this video. As I jump into my Tableau, I'm going to explain you the difference between Zn and IFNULL function. So Zn function, as I have said, is used to replace the null values with zero value, and it's a very simple to use function, blah 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 blah. But what if you don't really want to replace your null values with zero? What if you want to replace your null values with maybe 1, 2, 3? I don't know. In that case, well, we do know. In that case, we're gonna use the IFNULL function. Let me quickly drag our order date, the similar drill that we always do. We'll drag the adjusted sales. We'll drag the ZN sales. So here, instead of 0, we want to show some other number. So will it be possible for us to do so? Of course it will be, because I'm there for you guys. IFNULL sales. So what are the parameters of IFNULL? IFNULL function takes two expressions. First expression is that particular calculation or field which will be under consideration of whether it's a null or not. So in our case, the first parameter has to be adjusted sales. We will be testing adjusted sales whether it's null or not. If adjusted sale is null, then let's say we want to show 8. And if it is not null, then by default show adjusted sales. Click on apply, click on OK, drag it IFNULL adjusted sales, and then you can see each row where it was null earlier, 0 in case of Zn calculation, we can see 8 in case of IFNULL function. Now as I make this video, there's one more interesting fact that comes to my mind. What if instead of 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, any numeric number, what if I want to show a string? Will it be possible? I have no idea. Let's try. I'll duplicate this, edit, let's say A, B, C, D, E, F. What does it say? The calculation contains error. Why is it so? IFNULL is being called with float and string. Did you mean float and float? So what they basically mean is that you should not be allowed to change your data type if the field under consideration is a float or integer. Then your alternative value that you give, that has to be a similar data type. You cannot change the data type. And this is how, ladies and gentlemen, we use IFNULL function in our Tableau day-to-day activities. If you like this video, please hit the like button, do share, do subscribe, and stay tuned for such amazing videos. See you. Bye-bye.